Fiverr still takes 20% from every order you complete, which means a $100 gig pays you $80 before withdrawal fees. That's the number you need to understand before deciding if Fiverr is worth your time in 2026. By the end of this, you'll know where Fiverr still works, where it doesn't, and whether it makes sense if you're starting from zero. Short answer: yes, Fiverr still works, but it works differently now. Back in the early days, you could throw up a gig and get traffic. In 2026, competition is heavier, buyer expectations are higher, and Fiverr's algorithm matters more than ever. Here's what still makes it attractive. First, you don't pitch clients. That's the biggest difference compared to Upwork. On Fiverr, clients find you through search. If your gig ranks, leads come in without spending connects or writing proposals. That saves time. A beginner offering logo design, video editing, or SEO can set up 3 to 5 gigs in one day and start testing demand immediately. That's fast compared to building a freelance site from scratch. Second, Fiverr is easier for productized services. If your offer is simple, like, I will edit 10 TikTok clips, or I will write 1,000 words, Fiverr fits well because buyers understand exactly what they're buying. That makes sales easier. But there's a downside. Price pressure is brutal. If 10 sellers offer the same service and 5 charge $15, it becomes hard to hold premium pricing, unless your reviews are strong. That's why beginners often start low. A $25 order sounds decent until Fiverr takes $5. You're left with $20. And if the work takes 2 hours, that's $10 an hour. That's not scalable. Third, the algorithm rewards speed. Fast replies, on-time delivery, and good reviews directly affect visibility. Miss deadlines or disappear for 2 days, and your rankings drop. That can slow your orders fast. So is Fiverr worth it? Yes, if you're new, have clear services, and need a fast way to test the market. No, if you want high-ticket consulting or custom projects from day one. The smart move is simple. Use Fiverr to build proof, collect reviews, and sharpen your offer. Then raise prices once you know what sells. That's the play. Quick recap. Fiverr is easier to start, harder to scale, and expensive at 20% if your pricing is weak. Set up one focused gig, optimize the title and thumbnail, and track what gets clicks. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more freelance breakdowns.